To inspect and replace the drive belt on your Razor Turbo R, follow these steps. Drive belt maintenance should only be performed after the vehicle has completely cooled. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the engine compartment. Next, move to the left rear wheel well and loosen both hose clamp fasteners on the PVT duct. Then, pull the hose off the intake and drive belt cover and set the hose aside. Next, loosen the 15 clutch cover fasteners, but do not remove from the cover. Then, pull the cover out and pivot out of the wheel well. Inspect the cover seal for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, remove the driven clutch spreader tool from the clutch cover and thread into the driven clutch to spread the sheaves. Then, carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Next, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly, and ensure all debris wrapped around the PVT and debris in the entire clutch air duct passage is removed. Any sign of oil leaks indicates that debris may be trapped between the clutches. A mobile device can be used to see behind the clutches. If replacing the belt, ensure the part number on the belt is facing outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Then, remove the clutch spreader tool from the driven clutch. Next, rotate the driven clutch clockwise 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt on the sheaves. Then, reinstall the clutch cover by pivoting in through the wheel well. Then, align the mounting holes while ensuring the cover seal hasn't shifted out of its groove. Once in place, reinstall the 15 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Next, attach the PVT duct to the intake and the drive belt cover. Finally, torque the hose clamp fasteners to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.